Doing the oil change on the Honda VTEC, older model. I like taking off my oil filler port just to let the oil drain faster. Oil pan's located driver's side right there. Oil filter location right behind the oil pan. Alright, so your drain plug's located right there. It's a number 17. We're going to drain the oil now. Alright, this car takes 5 quarts to 5W20. Just pour it in. Start your car. Recheck your dipstick. And that's the oil change on the Honda VTEC. Dipstick's located driver's side. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.